dear students, welcome to the online session of English. Students, as you know that in our English class we are studying chapter number 8, Reach for the Top of Book Behind. And here we are studying its part 1, Santosh Yadav. And in previous session we discussed about Santosh Yadav. Actually, Santosh Yadav is a single woman who climbed Mount Everest twice. Here we are reading about the boldness and the strong stamina of Santosh Yadav. And through that we are coming to know that if a person is having a strong determination, strong desire to complete their dream, then nobody can stop them. And we discussed about Santosh Yadav, who was born in a village named Jauniawas in a district Rewari in Haryana. She was a single sister of 5 brothers, and even in her village, birth of girl was not welcomed. But here, her family wanted a girl child. It means here we can say that Santosh Yadav was a favorite child of her family, and even her grandmother also told a holy man to give blessings to Santosh's mother so that she would get a female child. And now Santosh Yadav, then when she was born, her family gave her name as Santosh. Santosh means contentment, so that she would do something different in her life. And when she was growing up in her village, girls were having many restrictions and foundations in their life. But Santosh was different from others, as she was wearing shorts. Even other girls were wearing traditional dresses, but she wanted to break all the rules and regulations which were unnecessarily going on. Like as in her village, girls got married in the age of 16. And even Santosh's parents also forced her to do that. But she broke this system and she said that she wanted to complete her study. Even her family was financially strong, but they sent Santosh to village school. But she wanted to get higher education, so that she enrolled herself in a school of Delhi without informing her parents. And after that, she went to Jaipur for higher education. And when she was getting education in Jaipur, so her room was nearby Aravalli Hills, and their people used Aravalli Hills for climbing. And now she was also interested. She went there and asked that group to join, and people of that group also gave her permission, and she joined group. And then she also enrolled herself in Uttarkashi Nehru Institute of Mountaineering without informing her parents. Even she did not inform her parents, but she knew that she was not doing any wrong thing, because she knew that when she would prove herself, her parents would be proud on her. And same thing happened. Even she apologized from her parents. Then she got this admission in this mountaineering college without informing them, because she wanted to be a mountaineer. And as along with the academics, then she was interested in mountaineering. So she started practice. So till this part we read in previous session, and now we will read next part. But before starting explanation of next part, let's have a look on the hard words. Endurance. Endurance means capacity to bear. Culmination. Culmination means summit. Shyly. Shyly means timidly. Feat. Feat means a notable act. Concern. Concern means worry. Annals. Annals means historical records. And enormity. Enormity means greatness. And students, now see the key points which we are going to cover in today's explanation are as Santosh's dream comes true. Santosh as true environmentalist and honored by Indian government. So as we read in previous session, then here Santosh was having high dreams, as she She got education first of all in her village school, then in a school of Delhi, then in Jaipur, and then she got admission in a mountaineering college institute in Jaipur because she wanted to be a mountaineer and she was doing practice for this. She was having a strong determination, a great stamina for this, and her physique and stamina was very appropriate for this. So finally, after doing a lot of practice, her dreams came true. How? Because she was doing continuously practice for this, and she was, as earlier she was doing practice by climbing on Aravalli hills, then, but she was having a big dream, and that was to climb on Mount Everest. So conquering Mount Everest was a dream that every climber wishes to fulfill. Santosh also achieved this success in 1992 when she was only 20 years old. At that time, her dream became true and she became the youngest woman in the world to climb Mount Everest. Within a year, she scaled Mount Everest again and became the only woman mountaineer in the world to climb Mount Everest twice. She also saved the life of Mohan Singh, who was her fellow climber, to climb Mount Everest. Now, along with a great mountaineer, she was a true environmentalist. Let's see how. Santosh has shared her feelings of hosting the national flag on the top of the world. She said that when she reached at the top of Mount Everest, then she unfurled, then she hoisted tricolor, her national flag of India there, and that unfurling Indian tricolor on the Mount Everest was a proud, spiritual and undescribable moment for her. She collected and brought down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas, so other people who are involved in research, they could get a great knowledge about Himalayas through that garbage. And for this great achievement to cover and to reach at Mount Everest twice, she got honor by Indian government. She was honored with one of the top awards, the Padma Shri, in recognition of her achievements by Government of India. So here we have seen that Santosh Yadav, then who was very bold, who was very strong from childhood, then she did not care about the obstacles, hurdles which came in her way of success. She faced them, she challenged them, she did not care about the system, she did not care about the thinking of people, but she focused on her dreams and finally she achieved them. Now here we can say, then through life of Santosh Yadav, we also get a moral, then here if we are firm and if we are strong on our desires, and if we continuously do practice, if we work, if we put efforts on our dream, then surely one day we will able to get our aim, if we will able to achieve success. So students, along with this, part 1 Santosh Yadav has completed. Now complete your notes on time and revise this chapter. In case of any doubt or any query, contact me anytime. Thank you very much.